Okay, so I'm here driving off, going on a road trip across Canada. Gonna do some skate videos the whole way, and I'm with my brother Wyatt, who's behind the camera right now.
Hello.
Around.
Hello.
Yeah, so it's gonna be probably about a 6-day drive, and we're gonna see how it goes. Right now the car is weighed down to shit, so hopefully there's no issues with the car on the way out there. But yeah, we'll see you later. Thanks. Found this sick ass car on the road, so came over just to take some pictures of it. Mid-60s Dodge Rambler. I mean, Dodge wagon, not Rambler. There's a Rambler over on the side there. First try, what's up? That's really good.
Oh, it's got custom purple interior.
Dude, is this the same year too? Just a two-door?
Yeah.
That's
66.
fucking awesome.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah, so this Cutlass over here is the same year as my brother's, but it's a two-door and a convertible. My brother's a four-door hardtop. This is so cool. I got something else over here too, a little red car. I don't know what it is. Can't really tell.
70 something Cadillac.
Yeah.
Like
Get the front ripped right off of that one.
It's like a graveyard of 70s GMC motorhomes.
This is sick. That's fucking cool.
Yeah.
Check out these motorhomes up front here. They're like pretty mint too.
Mm-hmm. It's got beaded seat covers.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got 4 up front, and then there's a bunch of old, basically carcasses of them out back. But these ones, they think these are for sale. They're really dope looking though.
Yeah, it looks like they restore them here.
I can't really see because the water droplets.
Yeah, that one's empty right now. This is the oldest one here. It's empty-ish too. Yeah,
That's
sweet.
sick.
Can't believe we
There's a lot of stuff on this road.
Holy shit, what the hell?
so it's 8 o'clock. We finally just got to Sault Ste. Marie, and we're gonna be sleeping in a Walmart parking lot. Say hello to the camera, Wyatt.
Hello.
We got our Mr. Noodles in cups. We have our boiling water from ordering a tea from Tim's without the bags on it. Or in it. So, yeah, that's dinner for tonight. Real appetizing, I know. You wish you were me. How you feeling the trip's going so far, Wyatt?
It's very long. We drove 925 kilometers today. And we're still in Ontario.
Yup. But good thing is, car's been really good on gas. What was it, like a tank and a half that we've used so far?
Yeah.
So that's really not that bad. It's going to be a lot more boring once we get out to the midsection of Canada and it's all flat and just completely straight. It's going to feel like we're on a treadmill and going nowhere. So stay tuned for that. It's real exciting. Peace.